Your only limit is you. I'm a born failure. There is no way I can get that job. I can't carry that dress off, I'm too fat. Why do these things happen to me? Why am I so unlucky? Are your conversations with yourself along these lines? Do you find yourself reprimanding yourself every time you make a mistake or wallowing in self-pity? If the answer is yes, you need to pause, breathe and show yourself some love. We spend a lot of time with ourselves, and in that span of time, it really matters what we are feeding our brains, because your internal dialogue plays a massive role in your motivation and productivity levels. Why practice positive self-talk? Positive self-talk is not just another self-help term. It's real, powerful and it works. When you have positive conversations in your head and treat yourself with compassion, it boosts your physical and mental well-being. Here are the 3 key ways positive self-talk can benefit you. 1. Boosts confidence. Practicing positive self-talk is a surefire way to elevate your confidence. It's an instant uplifter because it comes from a place of self-love and hope. When you tell yourself with conviction that you can overcome anything, you are bound to get a renewed sense of confidence which enables you to do your best. 2. Improves mental health. If you are prone to feeling anxious and depressed, you might just need a shift in the way you talk to yourself. Your mental health matters, and a crucial part of taking care of it comes from becoming aware of your thoughts and self-talk. 3. Enhances performance. When you challenge your negative thoughts and choose to feed your brain with positive affirmations instead, you realize you are much calmer and are able to approach matters more pragmatically. This enhances your motivation and overall performance. How to make self-talk more effective. Positive self-talk is not something that happens overnight. It's a practice that needs to be developed over time, and it starts with making a shift in your perspective through embracing a positive mindset. Here's how you can transform your internal dialogue and uplift your outlook. 1. Be mindful. Words are powerful, they determine your actions. To eradicate negative self-talk, you need to become aware of the way you talk to yourself. Identify problematic words that disrupt your confidence and damage your self-esteem. Notice if you are being too hard on yourself. 2. Replace negative thoughts. Negative and self-deprecating thoughts tend to keep getting bigger and ultimately become your default thought process. Try this: every time a negative thought crosses your mind, challenge it and convert it into a positive and encouraging one instead. Make this a practice until it becomes a way of life. 3. Believe in yourself. Positive self-talk is more than just saying positive affirmations for the sake of it. It's way deeper than that. It's about believing in yourself, because when you instill that belief in yourself, nothing can stop you from attaining success and being happy. Believe in your capabilities and you will eventually see the difference it makes in your thoughts, words and actions.